Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you how to disable and turn off the Google feed. Okay, so when you first get the phone, by default the Google feed is turned on. So you'll notice when you swipe to the right, you will see the Google news feed. However, not everybody likes this, so if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is just pinch the home screen and then go to where it says home screen settings. And here you will see Google Discover, just turn it off. And now when you swipe to the right, as you can see, there's nothing there. It has now been totally disabled. Okay, another way to do it is to go into the settings and scroll down to where it says home screen and wallpaper. Select home screen settings and you can turn it off from here as well. So yeah, that's how you disable the Google newsfeed on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. I hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. Also share the video. If it's the first time you're watching my videos on YouTube, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my newest video. I'm out. Deuces.